How are you doing today? Are you good? Yeah, I'm good too. Thank you. So, before we start the class, what do we do? Let's sing hello song. Okay. Everybody, please stand up. Yeah, good, good. Stand up, stand up. Okay, let's go. Ready? Set, go.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Hello,
How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Good. Say hello to your friends. Yeah, good, good. Okay, that was very nice. Before we read the story, let's go back to lesson 4 and check the words. Go. Words. What is this? Yellow, gray, yellow.
Yellow,
And what was this? You eat cake, chocolate, honey. Sweet, perfect.
sweet,
Sweet. Oh, yeah, she's sitting on the hard, no, soft pillow. Soft. Everybody?
soft,
Soft.
soft.
One more time. Soft. Good.
Wonderful.
Remember the words. Okay. Let's go to lesson 5. Here. We're going to listen one more time. Okay, if you can read, just open your book. Okay, and read. You can just read together. Okay, page 16. Page 16. Okay, let's go.
All about bananas. A banana is a fruit. A fruit, a fruit. A banana is yellow. A yellow, yellow fruit.
Excellent. Good, good. Okay, can you read it by yourself? Can you? Good, try. Go. Everybody say that? Yeah, a banana is a fruit. Perfect. A fruit, a fruit. How about this page? Don't forget yellow. A banana is yellow.
A
Oh,
banana
it's
is
yellow.
A yellow, yellow fruit.
Perfect. Okay, now we are going to play a game. It's 1, 2, 3, finished. Okay? I'm going to say one sentence. You say the sentence 3 times very quickly. Okay? And say finished. All right? Let's try. A banana is a fruit. 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 Finished. Perfect. This time, you can do it faster. Okay? But before saying finished, please clap 2 times. Okay? Let's go. A banana is a fruit. Go. A banana is a fruit. A banana is a fruit. A banana is a fruit. Clap, clap. Finished. Perfect. Okay. This time, you clap 2 times and tap your head 2 times and say finished. Okay? Can you do it? Yeah, we can do it. Okay, let's go. A banana is a fruit. Go. A banana is a fruit. A banana is a fruit. A banana is a fruit. Clap, clap, tap, tap. Finished. Excellent, excellent. Good. Okay, now let's chant. Okay, who can chant better? Can you? Okay, let's go.
A banana is a
Fruit.
A fruit.
A fruit.
A
Banana is yellow.
A
Yellow, yellow fruit. Great, great. Okay, you practice this later. Okay, let's go to reading. You are going to read by yourself. Okay, we have many, many pictures here. Can you read? What? Good, one more time. A banana is yellow. Good. How about this one? Oh, what was this? Perfect. One more time. Soft, 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 soft. Then read it. Go. A banana is... Yeah, Joshua, go. Yeah, Micah, go. Ari, go. Excellent. One more time. Oh, what is this? A banana is... What was this? Sweet. Let's go. A banana is sweet. Perfect. Okay, let's move on to the comprehension
Wonderful.
activity. Okay. You have to read it. Okay? Go. I don't help you. Yeah? Wow, good. A banana is fruit or vegetable or meat. Perfect.
Excellent.
Excellent. And a banana is, a banana is what? Red, yellow, or blue? Blue?
Try again.
Oh, try again. A banana is
Good.
good. Yellow. A banana is salty. Ooh, sour. No, sweet. Good.
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 Wonderful.
Wonderful. We have a game. What is this? Word search. Can you read 4 words here? What's the first one? Banana. Good. Soft. Sweet. Yellow. One more time. Banana. Yellow. Sweet. Soft. Can you find them? Who can find them? Yeah, Erin, come over here. Yeah, can you find soft? Can you find soft?
Again.
Try again. Starts with S. Yeah. This one? Good.
Excellent.
Perfect. Okay, let's find sweet. Oh, Michael, you can do it. Yeah. Go. Sweet. Good.
Good.
And banana. Oh, Sunny, come. Yeah, Sunny. Where is it? Banana. B. Can you find B? Yeah. B. Banana.
Good.
Good. And the last one. Very, very long, right? Yellow. Yellow.
Try again.
Try again. Why? Because we don't have E here.
Excellent.
Excellent. Ooh,
Wonderful.
wonderful. We have one more game. Okay. I'm going to show you one picture from the book. Okay. And then you have to say the word without sound. If I show this picture to one student, that student has to say no sound. Okay. Just yellow. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Erin, can you do it? Yeah, come here. All right, let's go. Can you do it? Can you do this one? Oh, okay. All right, look at her mouth and lips, okay? They're moving. Perfect. Sweet. Good. Sweet. Okay.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. And let's open our activity book. It's activity book time. Okay, can you please open to page 10? Page 10, the same page with me? Yeah. Okay, which one is soft? You know soft. Soft. Think about the cotton candy. Soft. Soft? No. Soft? Yes. Soft? No. Okay, please circle the bread. Good. Okay, let's do this part. I am a fruit. Oh, I'm yellow and sweet. I'm a monkey's favorite food. I am a cookie. Cookie? No. Oh, banana? Okay. Lemon. Lemon is monkey's food? Maybe not. So, cookie, banana, lemon? Oh, yeah, that's right. Banana. Can you write down banana here? Okay, can you spell that? Let's go. B-A-N-E-N-A. You can write better than me, right? Okay, let's check the answer. Excellent.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Wow, we're finished. Lesson 5. Good job today, everyone. Good job. Before we finish, what do? We sing the song. Bye-bye song. You ready? Okay.
Bye-bye, goodbye, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, bye-bye, see you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye-bye. See you next time.